Hello there and welcome. This is Sunshine Resources, and in this video quickly I just want to show you how to fix this error that usually say the upload file size exceed the upload max. Okay, it's a very popular error, especially in WordPress, and right now I'm working on WordPress and it's giving me this error. I was actually trying to upload a plugin and I kept getting this error. Now let me show you what the error is all about. Let me demonstrate to show you what the error is all about. Now click on plugins, now click on add new plugin. Okay, go to upload plugin. Now I'm going to drag the plugin from my computer. Okay, I'll now click on install. As you can see, this is what I'm talking about. The uploaded file exceeds the upload max file size directive in PHP INI. This is the error that I was talking about, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this error. Okay, now to fix this error you have to go into your cPanel. Okay, for you to be able to go into your cPanel you must be the admin of your website. Okay, let's go to the cPanel. Alright, in the cPanel look for PHP. Okay, and as you can see, look at it here, PHP INI editor, exactly what we're looking for. Click on it. While here, select the website you want to work on. This is the website I want to work on. Alright, this is where you see the display errors. Okay, now I will change some figures here to suit my website. Okay, so let's go to memory limit. Alright, the memory limit is 128. As you can see, is 128. Let's go to upload max file size, and here it is 2M, which is just too small, so I'm going to change it to 128. I'll change it to 128. Alright, and I'll click now on apply. Okay, now it's successful. That's good. Let me go back to my WordPress dashboard. As you can see, the error has been fixed and my plugin has been installed. So thank you very much for watching, and God bless you.